happens to the mass of iron as it rusts? So we've got some iron filings in a Petri dish and it's on a piece of filter paper. What I'm going to do is just damp the filter paper slightly. So we've got air in there and we've got moisture. And we're going to leave this for a week. Okay. Now, once I've dampened down the iron filings, it will have oxygen and water present. I'm only going to put a tiny little bit there that's not going to affect any of the mass. Okay. And then I'm going to put a lid on it. And what I've done is in that Petri dish, I've put 2 grams of iron. And when you weigh the iron with the water that's been added to the filter paper, the dish and the lid, okay, the total is 16 grams because we've got 2 grams of iron in there. So the water, paper, dish and lid weighs 14 grams and the 2 grams of iron will take it up to 16 grams. So that is 16 grams worth of mass with the entire experiment. A week later, what's happened? The iron filings have rusted. You can see the red-brown rust around the edges. And this time, remember the starting mass was 16 grams. Now, the whole thing with the lid, the paper, the iron filings, the rusted iron filings, the end mass is 16.5 grams.